Welcome to WordPress Complete course. In this video, we will learn how to edit comments in WordPress. Editing comments can be done only by the admin. To edit comments, click on Comments. You will see the comments list for the various pages. Select any comment you want to edit. Click on Edit. The Edit Comment page gets displayed. Here you can edit the name, email, URL, or the comment from here. And click on Update button. So this is how you can edit comments in WordPress. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. And if you have any question, please comment below, and I will be happy to help you. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in next video. Goodbye.